Hello, welcome to this video. My hair is wet. Let me just put up my hair. Scrunchie, I am gonna play a bit with the news from Kiko Milano that I bought, and I'm gonna show you what I bought. I'm just gonna put this. Okay, this is apparently what we're doing, like that. Just gonna put it up. I bought 6 pieces. I bought 6 pieces from the Kiko Milano Tuscan Sunshine collection. These are the pieces right here. So we are gonna play with them. I'm gonna see how they are. We're gonna see if they are worth the money or not. I didn't pay that much. I will link to the things that I bought down below. This is a European brand. It's not an indie brand. This is like a European drugstore brand. And they do have an American site, do have a Swedish site. I do know that they have for other countries, and I will link to the site and the products down below, and then you can pick which country you're in. I think that's how you do it. But anyways, you can order these online. I ordered them online and I got them pretty quickly. I don't know where if they ship from the same place to everywhere, but I'm gonna have to read up about that on the site. About 5 items. Did I say 6 items? About 5 items. I cannot count. Something is itching. I do have some skin products on because I didn't buy the foundation. So what I have on is the Pretty Fresh from Colourpop. It is in light 8N. And then I have the Giorgio Armani. This is the Power Fabric Concealer in number 1. I have the Milk Bronzer on because I use the bronzer stick just a bit. I have the Jar Cosmetics Eye Primer. And that is it. Oh, and my eyebrows. I will link to my brow tutorial down below. Look at this packaging. Look at how pretty this or maybe I should put the autofocus on just so you can see how pretty this packaging is. Like, look at how cute this packaging is. This is what the packaging is looking like. Isn't this just so cute? I think this looks so great. Let me show you how they look on the inside as well. These are the 2 compacts. One of them is the blush and one is the like finishing powder. You can see they have like a sheen to them. Very, very cute. And this is the palette. I got the palette in number 2, Spring Awake. It is the bit of the more reddish, reddy toned. So this is what she looks like. It's pretty neutral, but it's gonna be interesting to try something with this. Let me show you the other ones as well. And these are what the 2 compacts look like. Look at this powder, how cute it is. It is absolutely stunning. So this one is the perfecting powder and this one is the blush in Tuscan Iris. And then I got 2 lip colors. No, that's not true. I got 1 lip color and 1 like multi-stick. Because this is the multi-stick in number 1 all over stick. This is a eye, lip and cheek. And I got this in number 1. And it is just like a neutrally peach. I'm gonna use that on my cheeks. And then I got the shiny lip stylo in number 1, and I know that this one is the one that was called Volterra Hills. This one smells just a bit sweet, but one of the powders smells very strongly. It is the blush. This smells very, very, very florally, and the white one does not. So I don't know why, but just so you know, so if you do not like perfuming powders, this blush isn't for you, the 2-tone blush, because it smells very strongly. I think we're gonna start with the blush actually. Like I said, this is in number 2, Tuscan Iris, and it is 2 different colors, but I think I'm just gonna go in between both of them. Oh, it picks up quite a lot on the brush. And I haven't powdered on my skin. I've only used cream products. That is a really nice neutral color. It's pretty matte on the skin, but it's really nice. But I wanted to try the other one, the stick. I totally forgot. Let's see if we can just get some of this off, because I want to see how the stick is. But I did like that blush color a lot, because I want to be the kind of effortless person that wears like cream products. So this is number 1, the all over stick. This one smells almost not bad, but it smells like clay. I don't know why they have different scents. Oh, that's very creamy. Ooh, what am I gonna blend that out with? Ooh, I should have planned this. I'll use a little dual fiber brush. This is from Colourpop F09. Oh, it blends out really, really easily. Don't know, I mean, I did have some powder underneath now, so I don't know if I had been a smart cookie and used this one first, how this would have looked, because it is disrupting a bit here, but that could be that I have... Should I just take all of this off and just use some new foundation? Maybe I'll do that. One sec. I mean, I did really like the powder blush as well. I just want to see how the cream one is acting. And since I don't have any powder on even under my eyes, it's kind of easy just to take it off and try again. I'll just use 2 dots of concealer. And I'm also gonna just apply a little bit more bronzer. Just using a little bit more of the bronzer stick. Okay, there we go. Okay, new try. Now we're gonna see again with the blush stick. We're gonna see how it is working together with just a foundation under. So I'm putting a little bit like that, because that is probably how I would put it. That is cute. I really like that, and I didn't do that weird thing now. It's probably because I had some powder underneath and I didn't get all of it away. It's very, very creamy, as you can see, so you can definitely paint it on directly on the face, and that is how I like to use sticks. I love that color. That is such a cute color. I really like how this is looking. If you like cream products, these all over sticks might be for you. And I love the size. I love that it's not that big. And this one doesn't have any shimmer in it. It is a matte color, and it's meant to be used on the lips and eyes as well. So I am, for that, pretty sure that it's going to dry down somewhat. Otherwise, I don't think they would recommend it on the eyes. But that is cute. Is that not cute? I like that color a lot. Now, I'm not... Yeah, it just feels a little bit tacky, but not smeary. I am gonna do some eyeshadow, I think, with the eyeshadow palette Tuscan Sunshine. This one is called the Spring Awake. I think I'm gonna use these two, the more pinky plummy tones here. I'm gonna try and see if I can use those in the crease. Because I'm more about that life than I am with the... Even though the promo pictures of this collection is what sold it to me, and she had that, like, effortless look but still not brown, so that maybe that's why I'm going with the pink. So I'm going with Valley and then Sienna. I haven't been to Sienna. I want to go. I think I'm gonna use Liberty afterwards. Just gonna tap out the primer. This is what I do before I go in with eyeshadow, because I don't want to have like creases from the primer, but I also don't want to set the primer with powders, because that will mean that the gripping powers of the primer would like disappear. So I'm not going to use too much eyeshadow. I know it's so unlike me, but I'm going to try and see if I can make this a bit softer. This is going on really, really, really good. I'm going to try and not take it up too far, because I want it to be a bit effortless, but I am gonna blend the edges here a bit. Now I'm taking that darker sienna, and I'm just gonna take that a little bit in my outer corner. That is a really, really pretty color. It's like a plummy brown. It goes really well together with this pink. Not gonna do too much. I'm trying to be a bit subtle here. But you could definitely smoke out a look with this one. Ooh, my battery is like dying. So let me finish this and I'm gonna change my battery. Remember how I said I was gonna do something easy? Yeah, me too. Then this happened. It turned a bit smoky, but you know what? I really like how this is looking, so don't come for me. I had an ambition and it fell through. Okay, don't come for me. I'm gonna use Liberty. This is like an icy light pink, and I'm just gonna use that with my finger because ooh, that's actually really pretty, because I don't want it to be... Wow! Wait, that is even prettier than I thought it was gonna be. I was expecting like a light, subtle shimmer, but this is actually Really, really nice. Okay, I'm just using my finger because I don't want to be that thorough, and I'm not doing like very thorough work. I like using my fingers. So I'm just putting that on the lid, and I'm gonna use a bit of Blossom, which is that matte cream. I'm gonna use that in my inner corners, I think. And on my brow bone, maybe. Who am I? Really like how that blush is looking as well. That's looking really, really cute. Now let's use a bit of the Blossom, which is that cream color. Let's see if we can pick up some of that. And is this a good brush? No. No, no, no. I think this one is just like my skin tone, so maybe this isn't the best to highlight anything at all. But yeah, this would be a perfect shade, like if I wanted to set my primer, which I don't because I think it's, I'm sorry, I think it's stupid to set your primer. It kind of ruins the whole purpose of a primer to me, how I use a primer. Maybe other people use primers in different ways, but I use it to make my eyeshadows pop and last longer and look the way they look in the pan, and I feel like setting your eyeshadows takes that away. So that isn't really an inner corner highlight for me. It could probably be a really pretty matte all over the lid color if I wanted to keep this more matte. That would have been really pretty all over the lid if I didn't want to use the shimmer. Let me do this powder now. This is the perfecting powder with the flower. This one didn't really smell like anything. I'm just gonna use a big poofy brush, I think. So pretty. I can't believe I'm ruining this. Should I just touch it first and see what kind of... Oh, it's like a faint shimmer. Okay, so this will definitely just... Oh yeah. See, I'm really going into this and it's not like picking up a lot. So this will definitely just be... I don't know if this is really doing anything. It's meant to be a perfecting powder, but I'm feeling that it's not really giving up that much. Is this doing anything? I don't know if this is doing anything. But it is like, when I touch it, I see that it's like giving up some product. So maybe it's like enough. I think maybe also, and this is probably true with a lot of us right now, I'm so used to things being super pigmented. I'm so used to seeing like result straight away when I use something on my face that when I don't, I take that as the product not working. But my skin is looking really pretty now that I used it all over. It is having that subtle glow. And it did take down some of the not tackiness, but some of the subtle creaminess that I had. So I'm gonna have to use this a bit more and see how I feel. It's really hard to say something now after just using it once and not really seeing an immediate result. It's one of those products you're gonna have to use a bit more. But if I go a bit closer, you can't really see, but let me see if I can show you. I'm gonna put some mascara on. So this is what it's looking like right now. I feel like this is looking really nice. The only thing that's not looking that nice is my dry under eyes. Let's not talk about those. Okay, let me do some mascara and some lip liner, and we can use the lip color because I think that's the last thing. It's supposed to be a bit shiny. Oh, maybe I should blow dry my hair as well. Okay. Fix all that, coming back. Okay, so this is the finished look, almost. I'm gonna do my lippy as well. I did use the Sigma Beauty Inner Rim Brightener Final Touch. It's just like a light pink for your waterline that brightens up your look, and I do feel like that is working out pretty good. I'm also using the NYX Slim Light Lip Liner in Peekaboo Neutral. It's what's around my lips. It is almost my lip color. It's just slightly pinker and darker, but it works really good when I'm gonna use something that is a bit pinkier. So this is the Shiny Lip Stylo #1 in Volterra Hills, the place that I want to go to. And oh my god, that's pretty. So I would say that this is like a mauve. It smells a bit almost like raspberry, but very faint, not too much. It goes on like a shiny balm, but it does have a bit of color. That is stunning. Wow, I so want... And look at this. You know when you buy expensive products, you're like, you're paying for the packaging, but look at this. Drugstore brand. Just saying. I'm just saying. This is stunning. I love this look. I'm kind of getting why people are so into like more neutral and natural looks because, I mean, natural. Who am I kidding? But it is pretty and I do feel pretty. I think that this is very pretty. I'm happy. I'm wearing, I'm wearing like a cropped t-shirt. So it's like cropped, but I really like it. It's white and cropped and it goes really well with like a pant that's like high-waisted and maybe colorful because I have a lot of colorful high-waisted pants. I know that that's not normally what people have a lot of, but that is what I have a lot of. So I think I'm gonna wear this t-shirt with that. But I am really, really, really loving this look. And thank you so much for watching. I don't have a highlighter on, but I'm actually kind of liking not having a highlighter on. It's pretty okay. I'll live. Thank you so much for watching and do let me know what you think about these products. I think all of these products are really, really nice. I liked all of them. The eyeshadows are looking nice, the blush is looking nice, the powder blush looks really nice on as well. The lip color is beautiful. The only thing that I need to try out a bit more to see how I feel about it is this finishing powder. Because, I mean, it's not powdery at all. It's just giving a bit of a glossy... Yeah, it is giving a bit of a gloss almost, but a dry gloss, dry sheen on my finger. And I just need to try it a bit more to see if I actually think it's worth like putting on the face. But it's really pretty compact and really pretty pattern. And I didn't dislike it. It didn't disrupt the look in any ways. And I do have a bit of a satin glow to my skin right now. But yeah, that was everything. Don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to see you in my next video. I do upload at least 4 videos a week and I will see you pretty soon again. Bye!